quick video here about water again, but this will be about boiling, and I have a way of doing it now that I prefer from uh, using a temperature control kettle. This is just a glass kettle from Timu. It was like 12 bucks, and that's a $38 infrared burner. I think that's 1,000 watts. It's from Amazon. I'm gonna put the links in the description for the Amazon things. I don't have links for this, but you can just look it up. Put a glass kettle on Timu and you're gonna find it. Now, there are ways in which people talk about water, like shrimp eye, crab eye, fish eye, dragon, all this all out like Lu Yu kind of style of things. But I have four-way, 4 levels. Obviously, like you can wait longer for something to cool down, but always bring it to a boil. And I'll put this on the maximum, and this is hot, so it's not going to take that long. But if this is going and it's starting to sound, that's just boiled. And if it's still bubbling when I pour it, that'll be just boiled crazy water. If I wait and the water is calmed down, meaning like, you see how it's moving? So when the water actually like just calmed down and it's not moving that much, probably like 15-20 seconds after just boiled, and then I pour it. And that's how I'm gonna do this white tea, because that's how I like it. Just boiled calm water. Now you can go crazy like and also full boil. And what is full boil? Full boil is this. This one, the water is just wanting to come out of there, and then you have the if it was colder, you will be seeing vapor coming out of everywhere, steam, I mean, coming out of everywhere. And then if I want to just put the water there immediately while it was still sounding, it was still bubbling in there, that's crazy water for me. So full boil crazy water. But if I let it calm down until it's just not moving around, after I put it down, then it calms down, it's not moving anymore, that'll be calm water, full boil calm water. And I'll tell you, I do think that I feel a difference when the water is calm, maybe it's psychosomatic or whatever, but it is something. So that's another thing about water and boiling, so this would be the thing about warming up water. And I thought about making something about fire and the whole thing, but that's just too complicated and not really what I do. Sometimes I use a butane, propane, little burner, but I prefer to use infrared. So this is just my system, and that's gonna make a shorter video. There are other people talking about more options and charcoal, little chauso, little burners and broilers and clay kettles and all kinds of stuff. But this is how I do it. 1238 is 50 bucks setup. Very nice.